Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Darlene, and for today's video I'm going to teach you how to solve the equation by quadratic formula. First of all, quadratic equation is written in a mathematical sentence: ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, which one variable ax squared is in the degree 2. So ax squared here is the quadratic term. Bx is the linear term. And c here is the constant term. Okay, so here I'm going to introduce to you the quadratic formula. X equals to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so let's start solving this equation with the use of this formula. So, first step is to know what is your a, b, and c values. The value of a in this equation is 2. Next, the value of b in this equation is positive 9. The value of c in this equation is negative 10. So, after that, we will plot this value on this formula. So, first, x equals to, what is the value of b? 9. So negative 9 positive negative squared of b squared. So what is b? 9. 9 squared minus 4. The value of a is 2. Next, c. The value of c is negative 10 over 2, and the value of a is 2. So, we already plot these values on this formula. Next step is to simplify this equation. So, x equals to negative times positive 9 is negative 9. Next, positive negative square root of, so 9 times 9 is 81. Next, negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 10 is positive 80. Over 2 times 2 is 4. Next is x equals to negative 9 positive negative square root of 81 plus 80 is 161 over 4. So, let's take a look on this answer. We can simplify or square root 161. Therefore, we will stop right here. So, this will be our answer. Always remember that the discriminant b squared minus 4ac, if greater than 0 but not a perfect square, the nature of roots is real, irrational, and unequal. So 81 plus 80 is equals to 161 is greater than 0 161 here is greater than 0, so 161 is not a perfect square. So, its nature of roots is real, irrational, and equal. That's why our answer will stop right here. Okay, so another example is, let's try to solve this equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 27 equals to 0. So the quadratic formula is x equals to negative b positive negative b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So first, let us identify what is the a, b, and c value of this equation. So the a value is 2, the b value is 3, positive 3, and the c value is negative 27. So let's start solving this equation. So we will plot these values on this quadratic formula. X equals to negative, what is b? 3. Next, positive negative square root of b squared, so 3 squared minus 4. Next, a is 2 and c is negative 27. So over 2 and a 2. So let's try to simplify this equation. So x equals to negative 3 positive negative 3 squared is 9. Next, negative 4 times 2 times negative 27 is positive 216. 216. Why? Because negative 4 times negative 4 times positive 2 is negative 8. Then negative 8 times to negative 27 is 216, because negative times negative will result to positive. Next, 2 times 2 is 4. Next, x equals to negative 3 positive negative 9 plus 216 is 225. So square root of 225 over 4. So x is equals to negative 3 positive negative square root of 225 is 15 over 4. Because our 225 is greater than 0 and is a perfect square, the nature of our roots is real, rational, and unequal. So we will solve two values here. So first, we will solve for the positive 15, then the negative 15. So x equals to negative 3 plus 15 over 4. So x equals negative 3 plus 15 is 12 over 4. So 4 divided by 12 is 3. So 3. Next, we will solve for the negative 15. So x equals to negative 3. Next, minus 15. Minus 15 over 4. So x equals to, so negative 3 minus 15 is negative 18. Equals to negative 18 over 4. So we can't divide 4 to negative 18. So they have a common, which is 2. So we'll lowest term this fraction into negative 9 halves. So the answer is negative 9 halves. So we can see here that there is 2x values because of the discriminant, which is greater than 0, and the perfect square that gives us 2x values.